I will be bass testing the concert. Concert is on flat bass. Yeah, I'll use this. You can see a Squid Game out track, but you know what that music is. The volume on this. No equalizer. I'll increase the bass. Hey. I'm gonna try new music. It's called Wizard Fatality by Smooth. If you want to look at the virtualizer, you can do. Oh yeah, this has a twist. It's gonna be louder when the bass kicks, so I'm gonna, you know, lower down the volume. Click the volume a little bit. The volume. My mom is gonna kill me if I higher up the volume, so yeah. You know what? Let's try this music. Wait for a second. I'm gonna also do a bass test, of course. use this music. And we do it out again. Okay, it's pretty hot now. You know, turn it off, because I would assume it's a bad thing to do if this thing gets hot. I know every amplifier does that, but this thing is old as hell, so I would assume it's gonna be pretty bad if it, you know, blows up. So yeah, that's the video. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. You know the drill. You have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I'll see you next time. Peace out, dudes. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. I don't know why that I did that peace out, dudes thing. So, yeah, subscribe. Thank you for 320 subscribers. Now, I did your request. Or whatever what I said is. You remember the aux splitter? I requested to 200 subscribers, and I extended to 300 subscribers. Now I got it. Let me get it for a second. I'm gonna find my aux splitter. This is the only aux cord I have, so I'm gonna buy another one, probably two. This is the aux cord I have. Looks like a winter flake. I'm actually gonna put it outside. Right here, it came with a aux cord, super small. Here it is right here. That's small. You know how much we bought this? Probably like $2 or 100 pesos. Probably like $3. I'll put it back, and you know, editing back. There we go. I'll put it back in. There we go. That's the aux cord you want you guys to do. If you want to do like what? The mini so and the flip 4 connected, I'm gonna buy a new aux cord for a sec, because I have so much aux cord. This one is broken for an unknown reason. I think because of this. But this is the only thing that's working, so I'm gonna buy another aux cord so I can connect it. For example, the GBL to TNG, I can connect it now. But if you want me to connect like the edifier, because it has its own, where the fuck is it? Its own aux cord, and also the converter has its own aux cord. If you want me to connect those two, and also the JBL if you want to, three of them connected, I can do it for you guys. Please like the video. Hopefully you will get like, even I have 300 subscribers, I get 30 likes, but at least I get likes. At least get this video like 5 likes, and I'll be happy with it. So I'm gonna do it. And that's the end of the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and see you in the next video. Peace out, dudes. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day, and bye.